from Terry and Tilton Interior Design. We are in my office, which I'm currently trying to redo. This is like a really off-the-cuff video. I haven't really planned this through. I am about to do some stripes at the top of the cork, which you'll see at the top there. I did a quick video on Instagram stories about just basic cork tiles. I've not uploaded it on this, literally it was like a 5-second video, it was absolutely fine. So I'm going to do some thick-ish stripes at the top of them, and I just wanted to show you quickly how they can be achieved with no time at all and make a really good effect. So you probably notice that my dungarees is a bit tight. Yeah, I have been eating lots of takeaways, lots of chocolate. It's a combination of greed, but also got a baby in my belly. So apologies for the bursting out of the dungaree situation. Anyway, things you'll need to make the stripes on the wall are as follows. 1 medium to large paintbrush. Any paintbrush will do, it's really not a big deal. 1 tape measure, obviously frog tape. I am using the yellow frog tape today. This is for freshly painted surfaces because I've only just recently painted the back wall white, and I'm not 100% convinced that using the green stuff won't peel off that white paint. So I'm just going to use this just to be sure. It'll work brilliantly just the same. And last, you will need a good quality paint for the wall. I normally bang on about trade paint, but if it's just a small section, you can probably use any paint you like. So today I'm using Dulux. I got this one mixed. This is yellow. It is in Spring Breeze. It is absolutely beautiful. I just got a tester pot mixed up, which I think was like £3. It's a huge tester. I mean, that is more than enough to do stripes on the wall if you're just doing 2 large stripes. So you could probably get away with, like, if you had like the small testers, you could maybe get away with 2 of them if you're going to do stripes, or even just 1. Just have a go. Don't buy a big tub. If you have a big tub left over, use that, but I won't go out of my way to buy a massive tub of paint just to do 2 stripes on the wall. Save your money. Oh, I totally forgot to mention, probably the most important thing, because otherwise you're going to get wonky lines, is a big spirit level just like this and a pencil. Okay, let's go. First you want to measure out how thick you want your stripes. So I have already gone round and checked, and I think I want to go for a 7cm thickness. It's not that thick, it's just about that. I mean, that's going to mean nothing to you because this is on a tiny screen. I have decided that I want to have a gap between the cork and where the line starts. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the thickness of the frog tape that I've got. I've just got, there's 2 sizes of frog tape you can get a thicker version of this as well, but I've just got the thinnest version that you can get. So I'm just going to use the thickness of that and then start from the bottom of the frog tape and measure 7cm down from that. I've covered this in a lot of detail in my previous videos about colour blocking on the wall, so I'm not going to bore you with this right now, but basically you want to make sure you're pressing down that frog tape really firmly. And now I'm going to go around and dot 7cm from the bottom of the, let's say that's the bottom, right? The bottom of the frog tape, 7cm down. I'm just going to like put little dots along, and then I'm going to use the spirit level to measure off a straight line. So once you have measured out your line, how thick you want it, and you've drawn it straight using the spirit level, you just want to go and take your frog tape now and line up the top of the frog tape with the line, hopefully straight line, that you've just drawn. So it's really important that you get the frog tape really firmly pushed down, and I would normally use something like a credit card, but I actually had this to hand, so I'm just going to push this down with this. Okay, I'm all taped up now, and the next bit is the fun bit, and that is the paint. I don't know why I'm holding a knife in a threatening manner. So you simply just want to get your paint like this. This is really tricky to film this too and not drip. And you just want to paint in the direction that the frog tape is on the wall. So the frog tape is horizontal, so you want to paint horizontally, and you want to pay special attention to the to the joins, to the join bit here, and that's where you're going to get the nice neat line. So you want to do one coat, let it dry, and then you want to do a second coat, and before the second coat is drying you want to peel off the frog tape and you'll have a nice straight line. My camera battery is about to die, so I'm just going to tell you quickly, I am just about to finish my first coat. Once that first coat is dried, I then do a second coat, and before the second coat dries you want to peel off the frog tape, and that's what gives you the nice crisp line, and you don't get any, hopefully you won't get any bleeding, and also you won't get any peeling of the paint off. How's this for a camera angle? Oh, this is about to do a thumbs up there. No, no thumbs up! Don't do a thumbs up. Anyway, while that is drying, the first coat is drying, I am going to go, I was going to say I'm going to fire ahead, and who says that? Not me. I don't say that in real life, so why am I saying it now? While that first coat is drying, I am going to just repeat the process, tape up the top bit because I'm doing a stripe at the top. I'm not going to film that because you've seen it already, so that'll be really boring. No thumbs up. No thumbs up! Keep your thumbs down! Coat drying now, so I am just about to peel off the tape and see what we've got. That is it. If you can see, it's trying to focus. We're doing it. It's not really doing anything at all. But yeah, it's as easy as that. So literally, it doesn't take long at all because you are peeling off the frog tape on your second coat. I did consider a third coat, but the yellow was kind of losing its vibrance, so check me, vibrance. So I just whipped it off, and it's looking great. There's a few areas which I've accidentally gone over the frog tape, but that's okay, I will just repaint that over in the white. But I am absolutely loving the stripes, so totally give that a shot because it's just so effective if you just want a little pop of colour in a little area. You don't want to spend a fortune on paint, so that was just done with paint samples, and there's so much paint left over, by the way, so I will now have to use that somewhere else, I think. So yeah, just with tester pots, don't have to spend a lot of money, and there's still loads of frog tape left over for another project. So all in all, I am loving the colour.